Hello everyone, that is the air. You can see sometimes whenever you clean it, people someone says don't know, and that this have to be clean. You can see how terrible it is. Also inside. For that, be careful, make it clean, because that is the bad reason. You can be always sick. I want to show you better how bad it is. Let's see. It's possible to see something better. Also, inside is terrible. This is the next one. This is from Honda Accord Coupe. Yeah, it's very dirty, very dirty. I see someone's in the video. I can see that it's not so visibility how bad it is, but here it's almost in the top. Dirty, but it's very dirty. That is the bad reason. When you don't do it, you have to do it. It's very bad for us, for your family, for your gender. It's very good to. Someone people say one time per year, but I can say if you live somewhere where it's very more dirty, uh, it's not clean air, or you drive and it's you are not in city, you are in someone town. Of course you're gonna have to clean it better, more times. That is the reason. And normally it's good for do it. If you for this car is you have to take this out, that out. It's not so much work of this, but from someone cars is more easy. That is mean that better if you take your time and do it. I don't know, 6 months or before. New one, always better. New one is cheap.